Have you ever wondered how a small green vegetable like broccoli can be so incredibly rich in nutrients? This tiny tree-like plant is packed with vitamins A, C and K along with fiber, iron, and powerful antioxidants that help boost your immune system and improve overall health. Despite its simple appearance, broccoli goes through a long and fascinating journey before it reaches your plate. From carefully selected seeds to advanced farming technologies, every step plays a crucial role in ensuring quality and freshness. In today's video, we will take you on a complete journey of broccoli, from planting the seed, growing in the field, harvesting, and finally processing and packaging for consumers. Whether you are a home gardener or simply curious about modern agriculture, this journey will give you a deeper appreciation for this amazing vegetable. Before we dive into the process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more fascinating agricultural insights. Now, let's get started. Broccoli is a cool season crop that thrives in moderate temperatures, typically between 15 to 21 degrees Celsius. It is widely known for its nutritional value and is considered one of the healthiest vegetables you can include in your diet. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, broccoli supports digestion, strengthens the immune system, and contributes to heart health. When you look closely at a broccoli head, you will notice that it is made up of tiny clusters called florets. These florets are actually immature flower buds, tightly packed together to form the familiar green crown. If left unharvested, these buds will eventually bloom into small yellow flowers. Broccoli grows best in slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6 and 7. It requires full sunlight and well-drained, nutrient-rich soil to develop properly. Because it prefers cooler climates, broccoli is typically grown during the spring or fall seasons. High temperatures can cause the plant to bolt, meaning it will prematurely flower and lose its quality. Understanding these basic characteristics is essential for successfully growing healthy and productive broccoli plants. The journey of broccoli begins with a tiny seed. Whether grown at home or on a large farm, proper seeding is a critical first step. Seeds are usually planted about half an inch deep in seed trays filled with nutrient-rich growing medium such as compost or coconut coir. This environment provides the ideal conditions for germination and early growth. For home gardeners, seeds are often started indoors several weeks before the last frost date. This allows young seedlings to develop in a controlled environment before being transplanted outside. On commercial farms, this process is often automated. Machines precisely sow seeds into trays, ensuring uniform spacing and depth, which leads to consistent plant growth. During the nursery stage, seedlings require regular watering, adequate sunlight, and proper temperature control. They are often kept in greenhouses where conditions can be carefully managed. After about 4 to 6 weeks, when the seedlings are strong enough and have developed several leaves, they are ready to be transplanted into the field. This stage lays the foundation for healthy plants and directly impacts the final yield and quality of the broccoli. Once the seedlings are strong enough, they are moved from the nursery to the field. Before transplanting, the soil must be carefully prepared to provide the best growing conditions. Farmers enrich the soil with organic matter such as compost to improve fertility and drainage. Proper soil preparation ensures that the plants can develop strong roots and access essential nutrients. Broccoli plants need adequate space to grow, so they are typically planted about 12 inches apart, with rows spaced 24 inches apart. This spacing allows each plant to receive enough sunlight and air circulation, reducing the risk of disease. In modern agriculture, transplanting is often done using advanced machinery. Automatic planting machines place seedlings into the soil with precision, ensuring consistent depth and spacing. These machines significantly reduce labor and increase efficiency. In smaller farms, semi-automatic machines or manual planting methods may still be used. This stage is crucial because proper planting techniques directly affect plant health and productivity. With the right preparation and tools, farmers can ensure uniform growth and maximize their harvest potential. Taking care of broccoli plants requires attention to detail and consistent monitoring. One of the most important factors is watering. Broccoli needs a steady supply of moisture. But the soil must remain well drained to prevent root rot. Irrigation systems such as sprinklers or rotating pivot systems are commonly used on large farms to provide even water distribution. Fertilization also plays a key role in plant development. Organic compost is often sufficient, but additional fertilizers with balanced nutrients may be used if necessary. It is important not to over-fertilize, as this can harm the plant. Pest control is another critical aspect. Common pests like aphids, cabbage worms, and whiteflies can damage broccoli crops. Farmers use a combination of natural and modern solutions, including neem oil sprays, biological treatments, and even drones for precise pesticide application. Weed control is equally important, as weeds compete with broccoli for nutrients and water. Mechanical weeders or manual removal methods are used to keep the fields clean. Proper care during this stage ensures healthy plants and high-quality broccoli heads at harvest time. Harvesting is one of the most exciting stages in the broccoli production process. Broccoli is typically ready to harvest about 10 to 12 weeks after planting. The ideal time to harvest is when the florets are compact, firm, and deep green in color. Harvesting too late can result in flowering, which reduces quality. There are several harvesting methods used in modern agriculture. Manual harvesting involves workers cutting the broccoli heads with knives or shears. In many farms, conveyor belts are used alongside workers to transport the harvested broccoli efficiently. For larger operations, harvesting machines are used to speed up the process. These machines can cut and collect broccoli quickly, reducing labor costs. In advanced farming systems, robotic harvesters equipped with sensors can identify and pick only the mature heads with precision. An interesting feature of broccoli is that after the main head is harvested, the plant can continue to produce smaller side shoots. This allows farmers and gardeners to harvest multiple times from a single plant, increasing overall yield and efficiency. After harvesting, broccoli must be handled carefully to maintain its freshness and quality. One of the first steps is cooling. Broccoli is highly perishable, so it is quickly cooled using a method called hydrocooling, where ice or cold water rapidly reduces its temperature. This helps preserve its vibrant green color and crisp texture. Proper transportation is also essential. Broccoli is typically placed in ventilated crates that allow air circulation and prevent moisture buildup. This reduces the risk of spoilage during transport. Timing is critical in this stage. The faster the broccoli moves from the field to the processing facility, the better its quality will be. Delays can lead to loss of freshness and nutritional value. Careful handling ensures that the broccoli remains in excellent condition as it moves through the supply chain. This stage acts as a bridge between harvesting and processing, playing a vital role in delivering high-quality produce to consumers. Once the broccoli reaches the processing facility, it undergoes several steps to prepare it for the market. The first step is washing. High-pressure water jets are used to remove dirt, debris, and any contaminants. This ensures that the broccoli is clean and safe for consumption. Next comes sorting. Workers or automated systems inspect each broccoli head, removing any that do not meet quality standards. Advanced technologies such as cameras and sensors are often used to improve accuracy and efficiency. After sorting, the broccoli may be trimmed or cut into smaller florets. Depending on market requirements, these florets are then packaged into bags or containers designed to preserve freshness. Packaging also includes labeling for identification and traceability. The entire process is carefully monitored to maintain high standards. Modern technology helps reduce waste and improve consistency. By the end of this stage, the broccoli is ready to be distributed to supermarkets and eventually reach consumers. From a tiny seed to a fresh product on your plate, broccoli goes through an incredible journey that combines nature, hard work, and advanced technology. Each stage, from planting and caring to harvesting and processing, plays a vital role in ensuring the quality and nutritional value of this remarkable vegetable. Modern agriculture, especially with the integration of farming 4.0 technologies, has made it possible to produce broccoli more efficiently while maintaining high standards. At the same time, home gardening allows individuals to experience this journey on a smaller scale. creating a deeper connection with the food they eat. Understanding this process not only helps us appreciate the effort behind every broccoli head but also highlights the importance of sustainable and innovative farming practices. If you found this video helpful and interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.